Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about what does an AI engineer actually do. Okay, AI engineer sounds cool, right? What do they actually do? What do they actually do? Okay, do they build robots or write complex codes or just use AI? Or just use AI tools. Okay, let's break it down in simple word. Okay, AI engineer build system that can learn from data. Instead of writing rule, they create system that learn patterns. Okay, you don't tell it what spam is. It learn from the data. Okay, you don't tell it where what spam is. Okay, it learn from the data. Okay, and they work with data. Everything start with the data. AI engineer collect the data, clean it, and prepare it. So bad data equals to bad AI, and good data equals to good AI. That's it. Okay, so after this, they train the model. They use machine learning model. These model learn from the pattern, make prediction. For example, prediction house price, recommended video. Okay, and after this, they test and improve the performance of AI. Okay, test and improve. AI is not perfect, so beginner test accuracy. Not beginner, every engineer test the accuracy, fix the mistake, and improve the results. Okay, and then build the real application. Finally, they use AI in a real apps like chatbot, face recognition, voice assistant. This is where AI become useful. Okay, tool they use. Most AI engineer use Python, machine learning library, okay, and cloud tools. You don't need to build everything from the scratch. Okay, and skill needed for it to become AI engineer, you need coding, basic math, problem solving, and most importantly, practice. Okay, so don't get scared by AI. Start simple, learn step by step. Anyone can learn. Anyone can learn this. Okay, so now you know what an AI engineer actually does. Subscribe for more simple tech videos. Bye bye, take care, see you in next video.